Hello, my dear children, how are you? Ciao carissimi bambini, come state? Siete pronti? Pronti a recitare la seconda parte della Gingerbread Man Story? Naturalmente, prima di ogni cosa, dovete considerare tre aspetti super importantissimi, ovvero pronuncia, espressività e rispettare il turno. Quindi imparare la vostra posizione quando dovete intervenire, ok? Se siamo pronti, partiamo. 3, 2, 1, go! Narrator Alice. It so happened that the pig, the horse, the cow, the old man, and the old woman tried to catch the gingerbread man. Gingerbread Man Nicolò. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm Gingerbread Man. Narrator Alice. Near the fence was a big brown hen. Hen Alessia. Quack, 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 quack. You look so yummy. May I have a nibble? Gingerbread Man Nicolò. No, no, you may not, but you can try. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm Gingerbread Man. Narrator Alice. Oh, what a sight it was! There was the hen, the pig, the horse, the cow, the old man, and the old woman that tried to catch the gingerbread man. Gingerbread Man Nicolò. I just look around for some place to rest. Running has really tired me out. Narrator Alessia. A little farther away there was a river flowed gently. Gingerbread Man Ziad. I want to cross to the other side. I don't want to get wet. Narrator Alessia. While he was thinking what to do, he heard a voice. Fox Anas. If you want, I'll let you cross. Narrator Anita. The gingerbread man saw a fox against a rock. Gingerbread man Ziad. Oh no, I think that you won't eat me. Fox Anas. Eat you? Wouldn't you be enough for an appetizer? Imagine for a whole meal. Narrator Anita. The fox was a very, very wily fellow. Gingerbread Man Ziad. Why would you want to be so good to me? Fox Anas. I am not being good to you. I was going across the river anyway. Gingerbread Man Matteo. I don't know. Fox Alessandro. So you could hop on my back and I would take you across. Gingerbread Man Matteo. Fox Alessandro. Decide it fast. I don't have the whole day. Gingerbread Man Matteo. Okay, what you want in exchange? Fox Alessandro. I'll tell you that when we cross over. Come on my back. Gingerbread Man Alessio. Right. Narrator Anita. When they were halfway across. Fox Alice. I'm uncomfortable. I feel be better if you stay on my neck. Gingerbread Man Alessio. Okay. Fox Alessia. Ah, that's better. Narrator Nicolò. After a while, the fox started moving its neck. Fox Ziad. I'm again uncomfortable. I feel be better if you stay on my snout. Gingerbread Alessio. Are you sure? If you want. Are you okay now? Narrator Anas. This was the chance for the fox. The fox caught him in his mouth as he fell and ate it. Fox Alessandro thought he was smarter than me. Ha 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 ha. Narrator Anita, Matteo, Alessio. There ended the tale of the gingerbread man. Okay, and now is your turn. È il vostro turno? Quindi, good job! Bye bye!